Do you have, Marin, do you have a profit-taking rule as part of your trading plan? Like a set way that you know it's time to take profits? Or are you going by your feeling and your thinking? I think it's going to go down. I think, I think. Guys, would you give your money, would you give your family's fortune to someone who says, I think I can make money with your money? I think so. No, right? Guys, your thinking sucks. I just want to let you know this, right? I think, I think it's going to go down. I think. No, we play a plan. This is what my plan says do. You understand? You need rules. No thinking. Your thinking sucks. Your thinking betrays you. If your thinking worked, you wouldn't need to be here. You understand what I'm saying? You wouldn't need to be here if your thoughts worked. Your thoughts suck. All right? You should look in the mirror and say that to yourself. My thinking sucks. Right? It doesn't work. Thinking doesn't work. Right? No thinking. So you have to make sure that you're trading. Every action is a line item on a piece of paper. I am taking profits here because I take profits on new highs. So you see this here? So let's say, all right, this is a new high. Okay, my plan tells me I have a right to take profits. I'm adding here. Do you have an add requirement? Like, is there a line item in your trading plan that demands that you add when this happens? Like, okay, I add on whatever. Uh, you have to have a stop line item. And so now you just follow the lines, and this becomes the replacement for your thoughts. And whenever you catch yourself thinking, you have to catch yourself and be like, wait a minute, is this a line item? Right? And so that's what progress in trading is. It's actually making the piece of paper be the replacement for your thoughts and your feelings and your beliefs. Right? No react. I think it's going to go down now. I think so. Like you, your thoughts can never make you consistent because they're always different in every trade. Your thoughts are different. What you feel is different, but the piece of paper never changes, right? And that's where you have to start there. You have to start there. All right, but all right. So I mean, it did go down for sure, but I just, I want you guys to trade a piece of paper. I don't want you to trade what you think. That's the first step to making progress with your trading. Another thing, tweaking tweaking after every trade is wrong. Like trying to change something and trying to figure out if something went wrong because you lost money. What went wrong? But not every trade. You can't do that. There is not a reason for every trade that you lose. You have to do it 20 trades at a time. So after 20 trades, now go over what's the biggest loss out of the last 20 trades? Why is this the biggest one? What happened? Review that again, right? What made this one the biggest? Is it because I added 4 times? Maybe 4 ads is not cool. right? And so that's how you go through the discovery process. But every trade trying to find the reason is not the way you do it, right? All right. Let's do another trade here, guys. I'm trying to stop thinking. Well, okay, wait, I got to take this. Marin's saying, I'm trying to stop thinking, but I'm struggling. You can't stop thinking. That's like saying, don't think of a pink elephant, right? And what do you think of a pink elephant, right? You can't stop thinking. You just have to be aware that you're thinking. And then it stops. So you have to catch yourself thinking. Like, I'm thinking, but wait a minute, wait a minute. I'm supposed to be following this piece of paper. My thoughts are not needed. And you got to catch yourself like that. You catch yourself being nervous and you check the piece of paper and be like, wait a minute. Okay. You guys realize that there's only 4 things that you're responsible for doing? There's only 4 things. All right? Let's go over the 4 things really fast. It's either your stock at the moment that you're scared or you're wondering or you're thinking about doing something like, okay, is my stop hit? Okay, no, okay. The other thing, is it time to take a profit? The answer is no, okay. Is it time to adjust my stop? All right, okay. Or is it time to add to the play? Now, guys, you got to keep these 4 things straight, which means they have to be these 4 things have to be rule based. And so whenever you catch yourself thinking about doing something, you have to check these 4 things. Wait a minute. All right, I'm thinking about selling, but am I selling because my stop's violated? Am I selling because my profit rule has been met? Is it time to adjust the stop? Is it time to add? And most of the time, none of these are required right now, which means your feelings, your urges are all off base. It's either one of these or it's nothing. And most of the time, it's nothing. You should just sit and be quiet and just observe your trade, right?